Trestle brackets are finally available for your classic design Little Giant ladders. These will help you make that ladder into scaffolding that much more convenient. For those of you that have Little Giant ladders that have lock tabs that are of a smaller diameter, you'll keep those inserts in place. If you have this larger diameter Little Giant, then you'll just simply remove those inserts. All we need to do, remove the outer section from the inner base. Same thing on the left side. And your one trestle is already done. The hinge completes that part. So what we'll do, grab these trestle brackets, fit them right inside the top. Make sure that this flange is on the outside, and then simply line up that lock tab and it'll hold that right in place. Do the same thing on this section. Now there's no need for any spreader bars or extra accessories. This trestle bracket does that for you. A sturdy base, and all you need to do, in fact right now would be a perfect time for you to add one of our Little Giant telescoping planks. This particular one telescopes from 6 feet out to 9. We have other planks that stretch from 8 to 13, and the big one stretches from 10 to 16 feet. And because these rungs all line up with each other, you'll always have exactly the right height and exactly the right length of scaffolding for your needs. So grab yourself a set of trestle brackets today.